I'm Nyla from Nyla's Petite Bakery, and today I will be making my Petite Pumpkin Donuts. So you want to start with 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You want to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You want to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. A 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to add 3/4 cups of pumpkin puree. This is the main ingredient to give it that pumpkin taste. Then you want to add a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. And 3 tablespoons of any oil of your preference. And you just have to make sure it's fully melted. Alright, now that everything's in, you can start mixing. Oh, and I forgot a teaspoon of vanilla extract. When you're done mixing, your dough should look something like this. Don't overwork your batter because then it'll get floury. You should have it in a nice doughy texture. And I'm going to be using a donut maker to be making my petite donuts. So if you have a donut maker, gently spray it with oil of your choice. Or right now I'm just going to brush the oil on the donut tin. All my donuts are in my donut maker, and I'm just going to pop this on and plug it in. While this is baking, a quick tip of information: if you do not use a muffin donut maker and you use a donut tin that goes in the oven, just make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 and bake for 15 to 18 minutes till fully baked and risen. This is what your donut should look like right out of the donut pan. We're going to be using this as the glaze, fully vegan from Whole Foods. Alright, and once your donuts are done, you want to scoop them out. You can use a butter knife or a spoon. Now we're going to be glazing the donuts using the pumpkin butter and topping them with the cinnamon sugar glaze. The cinnamon sugar are basically cinnamon and sugar mixed together. Alright, now that you have completed glazing and sugaring the donuts, you want to repeat the steps of putting in your batter in the donut tin, cooking them, doing all of that. Just repeat all of those steps until you run out of batter. Once you're finished, serve and enjoy.